Hugs and Tugs. Isn't this a lovely day for a picnic?
Sure is, Grams.
Hardly a cloud in the sky.
You know, that reminds me of a story.
Yay, a story!
This story is called It's Raining, It's Boring.
Hi, I'm Hugs.
And I'm Tugs.
Have you ever had nothing to do?
Yeah, like when you're stuck inside the house on a rainy day.
Well, we found out that there's a little beast that causes this.
His name is the Beast of Boredom, and he came to visit us one day.
Aha! Care-a-lot! A veritable hive of activity. But I'll soon change that because I'm the Beast of Boredom. Please don't ask me why. I love to bore, and my reward's an apathetic sigh. When you eat my dust, you'll see I really am a bore. And before you know it, if I don't blow it, a yawn becomes a snore. My boredom is contagious. You might even fall asleep. Oh, I'm the Beast of Boredom. That's a name I'd like to keep. Uh-oh.
Wow, Hugs. Look at the rain.
Yeah, it makes neat patterns, huh?
Yeah, and look at those great puddles.
Ooh, this looks promising.
So, do you want to go outside?
Sure, or we could play that game. Or maybe...
What's the matter, Hugs?
It's raining, and there's nothing to do.
Yeah, we're bored.
Bored? Why, there's plenty of things you can do.
Like what?
Uh-oh.
Well, you can take this piece of paper, fold here, here, and here, and voila!
Ooh!
You've got a paper airplane. Now you try. Wait, I've got an idea. Let's check our magic board. A paper airplane is really quite easy to make. You kids at home can make them too. All you have to know is where to make the proper folds. Here we go. First, get a piece of paper about 12 inches square. Then fold it along the middle like this. Then make a fold here, and another, and one more. Then do the same to the other side. And there you have it, your very own airplane.
Yay!
Hey, what's going on? You're all supposed to be bored. Yay! Yay! Hey, watch where you're going. Yay!
What's that, Tenderheart?
Oh, nothing of any interest. Just some boring old art supplies.
Wow, let's see. Potatoes!
Yep, potatoes.
How do you get art from a potato? Hey, you're not trying to trick us into peeling potatoes, are you?
Nope, we're gonna make potato prints. All we need is potatoes, poster paint, and some paper. Are you kids ready at home? Okay, first take the potato and get an adult to cut it in half for you. Then draw on the pattern you want to print and have an adult help you cut away the excess potato. Then put some paint on the potato and start printing.
Hey, Hugs!
Look!
That's good, Hugs.
Tugs, be careful!
Oops. Oh, no.
not. Want to see how to make paint spiders? Just take a straw and blow on the paint.
Ooh, wow!
Let's show Tenderheart.
What's going on here? You should all be bored out of your skulls! Nobody ever listens to me anymore. Not bad. Not bad if I do say so myself.
Hey, Hugs and Tugs, how do you like my phone?
That's a phone?
Uh-huh. You can make your own phone easily. Here, I'll show you. All you need are 2 tin cans or plastic cups or paper cups and a long piece of string. Ask an adult to punch a small hole in the ends of the cans, and then you tie the string in between them. Then when you talk into one can, the sound travels along the string and can be heard from the other can.
Wow! Hugs, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Hey, this thing really works.
What?
I said this thing really works.
What?
This thing really works!
Hey, what's all the noise? Yay! Operator, we've been cut off.
Yay! Cartoons!
Hey, boys and girls, it's the Ben Mikey Show!
Cartoons, huh? I can put a stop to that.
Oh.
The cartoon's gone!
That's okay. Why don't you draw your own cartoon?
How?
Simple. First we'll get a pad of paper, a pencil, and then we'll draw a Care Bear. See? It's easy. Now you try.
Hey, Tugs, look!
Oh, yeah?
Okay, now we'll make him move.
Move?
Uh-huh. All we have to do is keep drawing him in a slightly different pose than the last. Here, I'll show you.
Oh.
Then we flip the drawings to see him move.
Let me see, let me see.
Uh-oh. Quick, everybody, grab some pots and pans.
Hey, what's all the commotion?
Phew. Huh? I've got an idea. To the magic board! Let's make some musical instruments. For a flute, get a plastic straw, flatten one end, and using safety scissors, cut off the corners.
Goody, goody, gosh! This is fun!
For a kazoo, get a paper tube. Cover one end with wax paper, hold it there with a rubber band, and use a pencil to poke a small hole here in the tube. Next, get some bottles and fill them to different heights with water. And use spoons or rulers for drumsticks. Now we have a whole band. You kids at home, join us too.
Stop it! Stop it! You're supposed to be bored! Stop it! Huh? you can't beat 'em, join 'em!